Hello. Welcome to Nuxlinxlin. Lucky, me phone. How are you? Me phone you. Me la Aƒeme. Me la Aƒeme. Are you home? Are you staying home? Me la Aƒeme. Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Home staying or staying at home. Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Ta nuka wɔm nele le aƒeme. Nuka wɔm nele le aƒeme. What are you doing at home? How are you spending time at home? How are you spending time at home? Lucky na Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Lucky na Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Lucky nye Aƒeme. Lucky nye Aƒeme. How is the house or how is the family? Mie fon nuya. How are you all? How are you guys? Mie fon nuya. Ke lucky na Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Ke so. Ke lucky na Aƒeme nɔnɔ. Lucky how? Aƒeme home. Okay. Nuye na tia wala Aƒeme. Nuye me wona. Nuye what I do. Nuye me wona la Aƒeme. Me wona exercise. Me wona exercise. I do exercise. Or exercise like Nutata, but Nutata is more like fighting, but you can say exercise just like in English. Me wanna exercise. Me lona Nuɖaɖa cooking. Melon. I like or I love. Melon Nuɖaɖa. I like cooking or I love cooking. Melon Nuɖaɖa. Me Nuɖaɖa yeye wo srɔ̃. Me Nuɖaɖa yeye wo srɔ̃. I'm learning new recipes, how to make new recipes. So Nuɖaɖa yeye is new. Yeye Nuɖaɖa yeye. Nuxlinxlin is like Nuxlinxlin. Nuxlinxlin is learning. Me Nuɖaɖa yeye wo, which is plural. Nuɖaɖa cooking. Yeye wo new. Srɔ̃ learn. I'm learning how to cook new recipes or new food. Okay. Melon na Nutata. Melon na Nutata. I like drawing. Not the professional one though. I like drawing. Melon na Nutata. Melon na Nutata. Melon na Nuxlinxlin. Melon na Nuxlinxlin. I like reading. Melon na Nuxlinxlin. Nuxlinxlin is reading. Nu is thing. Xlinxlin reading. Which means I like or I love reading things. So nu, whenever you see nu is a thing. So nu not always depends. So it's Nuxlinxlin. Nuxlinxlin. So that is reading. Melon na TV kporkpor. Kporkpor is watching. kpor, 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 kpor. TV, kpor, kpor. Melona, TV, kpor, kpor. Melona, TV, kpor, kpor. I like watching TV, sorry. Okay. TV can be in everywhere. Most of the time, as I said in my last video, yes, I said in one of my videos that every has borrowing words. Sometimes in English, sometimes in German, sometimes in French, because every has been influenced. So many people know that TV is television, so we use it like that. Or if you want to be pure every, then you say Dzidziƒe mo. Dzidziƒe is tele. Dzidziƒe, like far away. Dzidziƒe more is machine. So you can even call there are many machines that are called mo. Like what, for example, like moto is a mo. A motorbike is a mo, for example. So Dzidziƒe mo is like far away machine or something like that, if I should translate it. Well, but it's TV, yeah. But everybody knows that Dzidziƒe mo is TV, yeah. So it's TV, television. Ta Melona Hadzidzi. Melona Hadzidzi. I love singing. I love singing. So, what do you love doing? Nukai jona jinao. What do you like? Or what do you love? Nukai jona jinao. Okay. Ta. Enya. Mavis. Enya aku. Melona. Exercise. Wowo Aƒeme. Melona exercise. Wowo Aƒeme. I like doing exercise at home. Aƒeme is in the house at home. Melona exercise. Wowo. My like YouTube. Oh, that is I mix it with English. So my like people do say it, but Melona YouTube nɔnɔ. Melona YouTube nɔnɔ. Melona nɔnɔ. I love writing. Melona nɔnɔ. If you want to see what I write or some of my articles, just Google Voltairean songbird. Songbird because my name is Mavis. It's just a translation of my name. Songbird is Mavis, so it's my name. It's nothing else. My name. Songbird is my name. Yeah. So Melona Nutata. Melona Nutata. I love drawing, but I'm lazy. Kuvia nonye na Nutata. I'm lazy about drawing, even though I like it. Melona Nuxlinxlin. I love reading. Melona TV kporkpor. Melona Dzidziƒe mo kporkpor. Melona Hadzidzi. I love singing. Melona Hadzidzi. Okay, ka matode afia egba meganbo no Aƒeme. Don't forget, stay home. Akbede hiam na ele Aƒeme. You will help the whole world if you stay home. Nadewa wo agbe. Nadewo agbe. E nade amoho ƒe agbe ne ele aƒeme. Ke mase ɖe afia egba. Miagado. Bye bye.